Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started. Our number one choice is Renogy 200 watt 12 volt monocrystalline solar panel starter kit. If you're looking to power your RV, boat, trailer, or off-grid setup, the Renogy 200 watt 12 volt solar panel starter kit is a great choice. It comes with two 100 watt high efficiency monocrystalline panels, a 30 amp pulse width modulation charge controller, and all the essential wiring to get started. Renogy is a trusted name in solar energy, and this kit provides a solid balance of performance, durability, and ease of installation. Includes two 100 watt solar panels for high energy conversion efficiency, ideal for RVs, boats, trailers, cabins, and off-grid systems. Built with sturdy aluminum frames and tempered glass for long-term outdoor use. Withstands snow loads, high winds, and rain. Protects your battery from overcharging, over-discharging, and short circuits. Compatible with sealed, gel, and flooded batteries. The 30 amp charge controller supports additional panels if you want to increase power later. Compatible with 12 volt and 24 volt battery systems. The sturdy aluminum frame and tempered glass protection make these panels built to last. They can withstand heavy snow loads, strong winds, and rain, making them perfect for outdoor and off-grid setups. The 200 watt output is sufficient for running basic appliances, charging batteries, and powering small devices. The monocrystalline panels provide higher efficiency than polycrystalline. Our second best solar panel kit for shed is Renogy 100 watt 12 volt solar starter kit. Whether you're using it for your RV, boat, or small off-grid setup, it delivers great efficiency and long-lasting performance. The Renogy 100 watt solar starter kit is a reliable, beginner-friendly, and expandable solar power solution. The kit includes mounting Z-brackets and pre-drilled holes, making installation easy for DIYers. The included cables are of good quality, but you may need additional wiring depending on your setup. The included 30 amp PWM charge controller does a good job at regulating power flow, though an MPPT controller would provide better efficiency. It also has an LCD display for easy monitoring. The panel is built to last with sturdy aluminum framing and tempered glass, making it weatherproof and capable of handling harsh outdoor conditions. This 100 watt monocrystalline panel delivers strong efficiency and can generate 300 to 500 watt hours per day, depending on sunlight conditions. It's great for charging 12 volt batteries and powering small electronics, lights, and appliances. Protects your battery from overcharging, over-discharging, and short circuits. LCD screen displays battery voltage and charge status. Supports 12 volt and 24 volt battery systems. The 30 amp charge controller allows you to add more panels in the future. Great for small to medium off-grid power needs. High energy conversion efficiency provides maximum power output. Durable tempered glass and aluminum frame ensure long-term outdoor use. Mounting Z-brackets, adapter kit, and tray cables included for easy setup. Pre-drilled holes for hassle-free mounting on RVs, trailers, and rooftops. Third pick in our list is VoltSet 50 watt 24 volt solar panel kit. If you're looking for a compact and reliable solar charging solution for 24 volt batteries, this kit is a great choice. The VoltSet 50 watt 24 volt solar panel kit is a solid investment for anyone needing a dependable off-grid battery maintainer. The MPPT charge controller, durable construction, and adjustable mount make it efficient and easy to use. The panel is well built with a tough frame and tempered glass, making it weatherproof and suitable for outdoor use. The bracket is sturdy, but in high wind areas, extra securing may be needed. The 50 watt monocrystalline panel delivers good efficiency, making it perfect for trickle charging 24 volt batteries. It provides consistent power output in direct sunlight, ensuring battery health and longevity. Unlike cheaper PWM controllers, the MPPT charge controller maximizes energy conversion, ensuring higher efficiency and faster charging times. With pre-drilled holes and an adjustable mount, the setup process is simple. The included cables are long enough for Number 4 on our side is Sooner Power 12V Solar Panel Kit. If you're looking for a high-quality, efficient, and easy-to-use solar charger for maintaining your 12-volt batteries, the Sooner Power 50-watt solar panel kit is a fantastic option. It includes a high-efficiency 50-watt solar panel paired with an ultra-smart 10-amp MPPT charge controller, ensuring optimized energy conversion and safe charging for your boat, car, RV, motorcycle, or other 12-volt battery-powered equipment, compatible with 12-volt batteries, lead-acid, gel, AGM, and lithium. Ideal for boats, cars, motorcycles, RVs, marine applications, and off-grid setups. Works even in low-light conditions. Durable monocrystalline solar cells for maximum energy conversion. Heavy-duty aluminum frame and tempered glass for weather resistance. Pre-drilled holes for easy mounting on different surfaces. Maximum power point tracking, MPPT technology for up to 30% higher efficiency than PWM controllers. Built-in safety features, overcharge, over-discharge, and short-circuit protection. Real-time charging status display. This kit is built to last, featuring a sturdy aluminum frame and tempered glass that can withstand rain, wind, and harsh outdoor conditions. It's perfect for year-round use, whether mounted on an RV, boat, or outdoor battery system. Number 5. In our top 5 best solar panel kit for shed list is PPQ 40-watt portable solar panel kit. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply preparing for emergencies, this solar charger is a trustworthy companion. The 14 different outputs offer a wide range of charging options, making it a versatile tool for charging a variety of devices, from smartphones to portable power banks. The included cables ensure that you're ready to charge on the go, with universal compatibility for various devices. The IP67 waterproof rating is one of the standout features of this solar kit. It provides excellent protection against rain, snow, and dust, making it ideal for outdoor use. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or dealing with unexpected weather conditions, this charger can handle it all. The robust design also means it's built to withstand rugged environments. Weighing only 3 pounds and featuring a foldable briefcase design, this solar panel kit is highly portable. The built-in handle allows for easy carrying, and it folds up neatly into a manageable size. Whether you're hiking or packing it for an off-grid trip, the convenience and lightweight nature of this charger make it a breeze to transport. The 40-watt solar panel delivers impressive charging speeds due to its 24% efficiency, which is higher than most standard solar chargers. Whether you're charging your smartphone or tablet.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.